Assalamualaikum and greeting to panel. My name is Azmirul bin Adli and my supervisor name is Dr. Siti NURUL AQMARIAH KANAFIAH. Today I would like to introduce you about the automatic recognition system for percentage of core lung coronavirus disease 2019 improvement. So this project have already been in the Expo, which is the Malaysian Technology Expo 2022, and have already given the gold award. But I would like to introduce you guys furthermore about this project because this is the complete of my project and my supervisor project. So the first one is about the introduction of coronavirus disease. As you all know, it's a disease that can cause fatal death to many people, and this is the 2029 research paper that have taken from the WHO, which is World Health Organization. 153 million confirmed case and 3.2 fatal deaths. And this project is about the recognition, means we want to recognize it using percentage score of lung, which is the virus in the lung body. If we see it separate, it will show the 75% or higher. If it show moderate, it will go to 25 or higher than 25, but lower than 24 because 75 will cause the severe, and below 10 will be the moderate, will be the normal person, which means she or he doesn't have the virus. So we will use the computerized thermography, which is CT scan. This CT scan will be used in our project to recognize the lung because CT scan is what we call is a preferred image than the X-ray because we can see the image slice by slice. So slice by slice mean that every size of lung will be captured, and that's make it more accurate image than the X-ray. That's why we use the CT scan. Then this is the what we call the statistic of the case, and this is the statistic of that case. We go to the problem statement. Why I'm want to do this project is because we can see that we use the wrong segmentation of the segmentation method that we use, basically not accurate. So that's why we come to this project to make it more accurate, and the feature extraction method also not very useful. That's why we want to use the percentage as the uh, feature extraction. And the last one, the system that I want to make is not been invented. That's why I'm using this opportunity to introduce you guys about the new invention that uh, I want to talk about. Okay, next is our research objective. So the first one, of course, we want to use a specific segmentation method for the COVID-19. And the second one, we want to feature extraction using the percentage. Okay, the last one is we want to design the project, which is automated recognition system for percentage score lung COVID-19 improvement. This is the scope. So first, percentage score, we use percentage, and we use image, CT scan, and all of this is validated by the doctor from hospital Kuala Lumpur and doctor from hospital UPN. So we will use the MATLAB software as the software to show the result. But this is the previous research, and basically it's not related about the COVID, but it's related to my projects. That's why I'm show you this. And then the third chapter is about the flow method of what I'm going to make. The first objective, of course, the segmentation, and the second objective is the feature extraction, and the last objective is the research. So every part of this is we start with the image acquisition segmentation for the segmentation, and then after successfully we will go to the feature extraction. After it's success, we will go to the last one, which is the recognition. Recognition will make it more display in the graphical user interface. So this is the process, and this the segmentation flowchart, which is the grayscale image and also method. And then we go to the formula, which is the using the normal patient as image CT scan as the base and the pixel value of the moderate, severe or mild percentage, means that my patient. So all the value will be divided by the normal patient, which is the base of this project, and we time by 100 to get the percentage. Okay, then we will use the selected image to display. This is the feature section, which is the percentage, and the recognition. Let us say I will have 3 score. First, normal, moderate, and severe. But we have another score, which is the my score. Because I don't have the data for the my, then I can show you 3. But the my one is already in the program. Because I don't have data, so I don't have the image actually. It's a data that will show in the result. Because that I don't have, I will show you 3. Okay. Then the result. Okay, this is all my result for the program. And the last one, we will use the level marquette for the analysis. We will use the MLP, which is the multi-layer perceptron. And this multi-layer perceptron has many, but we will use LM, level marquette, because it have the highest one. And because you can see here, it's 80% and higher. And this is the other MLP, but I'm not using it. I'll just show you the difference. And this is the result for normal. So the normal one usually don't have image in the transaction image. It's usually black. And this is moderate, which is it will have half of the lung will have the virus, and the other half is black. And this is the severe, which is, as you can see, it have more than the moderate. So discussion and question is basically about the success of the project, which I've shown you as the result is already successfully. And the other one is the project recognized by doctor. And for the future one, I want to show it in the application because I'm using the graphical user interface. It's using laptop, so maybe it will be hard for doctor to carry a laptop, but will easier for them if you them use the phone. And the other one, 3D image. 3D image will make it more accurate because I'm doing this in 2D. So if we want to feature improve, so we need 3D and get more feature extraction because this one only use percentage. So basically, if we have more feature extraction, it can get many more results. Because I'm using percentage, I also have other feature extraction, but the other one is the texture because its result not accurate. That's why I'm not using that. So the two method only percentage is the accurate that I've made. So I'm using the percentage as the research result. That's all I have, and thank you.